First at 5:30, tens of thousands of people in Southern California reaching out for help as wildfires rage on, and things are only getting worse. That's why people in Michigan are stepping up and putting words into action. Thank you so much for staying with us. I'm Mike Duffy.
And I'm Whitney Burney. This is a story we first introduced you to last night. A Waterford nonprofit is driving donated goods thousands of miles away.
And today, 7 News Detroit reporter Carly Petras is speaking with volunteers as they pick up a truck on its way to some of LA's hardest hit areas.
I'm here in Waterford where this truck is about to take off. It's filled with a bunch of supplies, all to help people in need.
Volunteers with Waterford's Disaster Relief at Work, or DRAW, are loading up a truck full of necessities.
All right, get it straight.
Bathroom supplies and cleanup kits. All of it's going to victims of the California wildfires, more than 2,000 miles away.
Does it seem like a far way off? Maybe over the Rocky Mountains, yes, but it's not too far to go in this situation.
DRAW volunteer Greg Williams has been doing work like this for about a decade.
It's always rewarding for me personally.
Wednesday, he's sharing his passion for serving others with the next generation.
Almost there.
11-year-old Reese Medema helping Greg pack the truck that's on its way to LA.
It's mind-blowing on how one little piece of a bucket can help a person a lot.
His mother says she's proud of him for tagging along with her to volunteer.
We are believers in Christ, and it is one of the things he asks us to do is to help others. And so to see him at this young age have that faith and want to help others it's heartwarming for me.
Director of DRAW Greg Martin tells me they've loaded up enough supplies to help about 600 people.
We know that's literally just a drop in the bucket. But that's the funny thing about drops in the bucket is you get enough drops and pretty soon the bucket's full.
He's hoping DRAW can bring a little hope to people trying to rebuild their lives.
There's a lot of hate in our world. There's a lot of division in our world. But you can't fight back with the same thing. The only thing you can do is love people. It's the best way to live. And for us to be able to get supplies in the hands of people who need it at the moment they need it, that's our way to send love from 2,000 miles away.
Greg says this truckload will be distributed on Friday. And for anyone looking to donate or to be part of the next,
Drawbuckets.org is the way that you can volunteer. It's the way you can see the supplies that are needed. There's an Amazon wish list for disaster victims after the wildfire. Lots of ways that people can help if they go to the one-stop shop.
In Waterford, Carly Petras, 7 News Detroit.
Carly, thank you.